You see these red edges on the leaves? It's actually a great sign that your plant is getting the right amount of light. When the amount of light is sufficient, the leaf edges naturally develop this slight color change. Let's start with the most important factor, light. Jade plants need very bright light to perform photosynthesis efficiently. Here's the insight. In low light, the plant cannot produce enough energy, so it stretches and becomes leggy. That's why you should place it near a south or west facing window, where it gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. You can even place it in direct morning sun for few hours. Just avoid harsh midday sun. More light makes stems thick and strong, fuller growth, and even reddish edges on leaves. And a less known benefit, it also helps to dry out the soil by evaporating moisture from the soil, so the roots don't get rot from excess moisture. Jade plant is known for its thick, fleshy leaves, but those leaves are not just for looks. They are actually water storage organs designed to survive drought conditions. Now the biggest mistake people make, watering. Since jade stores water in its leaves, it follows a soak and dry cycle. This means water deeply, then let the soil dry out completely, and then water again. Scientifically, overwatering reduces oxygen in the soil, suffocating roots and causing root rot. And once rot starts, the plant can collapse very quickly. A simple trick, use a chopstick to check the moisture. Insert it all the way to the bottom of the pot. You will see the saturation on the chopstick. If it's dry, water. If not, wait a little. Jade plants need well-draining soil. Why? Because their roots are adapted for fast drainage, not water retention. You can make your jade mix by adding cactus mix into regular potting soil. Also, sand and perlite improves aeration in the potting soil. Think of it this way. Jade prefers air around roots more than water. Jade plants thrive in warm conditions, ideally 18 to 28 degrees of Celsius. They don't like cold drafts or sudden temperature drops. Also, avoid frequent repotting. Jade actually prefers being slightly root bound. Here's something interesting. Jade plants use a special process called cam photosynthesis. This means they open their stomata at night to reduce water loss. That's why they are incredibly drought tolerant and perfect as a low maintenance plant. Once you understand how it functions, you won't just keep it alive, you will grow it like a pro. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.